tomorrow morning. So we're now discussing the fire alarm.
Again, we'll back here in control room. This is the fire alarm control panel. Those numbers are for the detector on the ground, which is G. The detector on the second floor, which is F. Okay. This is for the bulb. For the sprinkler, this is the bulb also. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for the bulb.
Sa ano to, sprinkler.
Alarm, check valve.
Reggie, Christian, if you wanna reset the sprinkler from up here, how do you go about doing that? You could do it from here.
Okay.
Is it the same one that you use to reset the fire?
No, the sprinkler, for example, you use the pulley station.
To reset it.
To reset, you have to return again, and you can reset here.
From with the same one you use with the fire? Okay.
We will try one for Charlito. For example, we will go to manual station to check which one is. When I pull the manual station, the light will come here, and you will see the number. When you see the light there, you will check the number here. Which location, for example, the light is G4. G4 is green, so somewhere here. We will check one. Okay, we will check one.
Tinutulak mo yan?
Hindi, gagawin mo. Ulitin
One
mo.
more.
One more, ah. Pag hindi tumigil, i-reset mo rito.
Ako na yung start ko na.
Anong number?
F3. Tingnan mo yung F3.
Right here.
F3. No, dito.
F3 yan. Ano?
Where it is? This one, right?
Yeah.
So under F3. So you know already the location. Then the second step, you have to stop the alarm. So you have to pull this one down.
Ito pala yung ano, mga kulay ng area ng...
First, you check the number which light indicated, and then you review the drawing which is the number are located.
Okay.
So we're done for the fire alarm.
Ano itong...
Ayun nga, yung pinindot ko.
Detector.
Okay, ito mag-smoke ka.
You gotta get a smoker.
We will try to...
smoke.
Okay, this one tomorrow, we will bring smoke.
No need. Okay, so we're done for the fire alarm system. Okay,
Take
we will take a break.